Hi guys. Here we go with our foundations lesson this week. I'm sorry because my C disappeared. I'm sure it'll show up again off my board. I have no idea where it could have gone. But today we're going to talk still again. We have another set of double vowel teams. And our double vowel team today says long O. So last week we got the O together that said oi. This week we're going to talk about O that says O. Okay? So first things first. Sorry, let me move out of the way. First things first, we have OA that says O. We have OW that says O. And then, of course, we have OE that says O. And so just like our other double vowel teams, when they come up and they say O, we're going to circle them and mark them with a D. So let's talk about what kind of words and if we can find any kind of spelling rule or strategy like we have with the other ones. Okay? So if we start, again, all of them say O, long O. So now to figure out how to write or say that word might be trouble. So let's start with the word toe, because that's something we might recognize. Let's say it, toe. Let's tap it, T-O. Two sounds. And let's go ahead and look at our variety here. Toe. That looks funny, huh? Ooh, toe. Now we've run into a word here. This is a toe. This does mean to tow something, like tow the boat or tow you in your water skis or something. Okay, let's see if this one looks right too. Toe, and we know that's your toes in your shoe. Okay, so actually this is a homophone and this is both of them. So we can see that OE can come at the end and OW now can come at the end. So let's try another word. Let's try another long O word. Let's try boat. Boat. Ready? B-O-T. Boat. Okay? Ba. We're going to get an O in here somewhere. T. All right, so we can try them all. Boat. That looks right to me. Boat. No, definitely wrong. All right? Boat. Mm-mm. So coming back, we look at this one. So right now, when I look at this word, I see ba-oat. And I can see that this goes in the middle here. This wasn't one of the choices for toe. So now I'm trying to figure out if that holds true. Let's try another one. Okay. Let's try goal. Goal. My goal is to get all of my work done by 1. Goal. G. O. U. Goal. O. 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 All right, let's look again. Goal. That looks right. Goal. That looks like a different word. I know it's missing something. Nope. Goal. Okay. Nope. So when I look at this one, I'm starting to think that I could say for this OA that I'm going to find this in the middle of a word. I think so. I'm going to put that over here with these are the middles, right? Now let's go back to these because this came at the end for toe, right? This came at the end for toe as well, okay? So let's try row. I'd like to row my boat through the water. Or what row would you like to sit in the movie theater? Ready? R-O. Two sounds. That looks funny. That looks right. Row. Okay? So still this isn't proving anything. Right? I can find these two can be my double vowel team. And so far this one is definitely in the middle And both of these could have been at the end, right? So if I try to put any letter after this one, like say, we know it's not oat. Oh, I could get a word there. Okay, it's not going to give me a good, we might see one word or two, but it's going to be harder to see that this one. But this one definitely looks like he comes at the end. Let's try a new word though. Ready? Let's try grow. Grow. G-R-O. Grow. In the summer, I like to grow vegetables. Grow. So I'd like to say that will come at the end. I'm going to find something different though, children. It does usually come at the end. Okay? But how about if I say this word to you? Grown. Grown. My grandmom says I've grown so much since she's seen me. Grown. And that's also a homophone, right? Grown. Oh, I don't want to do it. But this is the grown we're not talking about. If I did that one, again, that's in the middle, right? So we know this is in the middle. We feel good about that. That's going to be followed by some kind of consonants. We've seen this at the end, and now we've seen it followed by an N, which is typically what happens because this will come at the end, grow, and when you throw an N on there, you're putting it in a different tense, okay? We're saying you have grown. It's something that has happened. It's usually going to put it in the past tense. And there's a couple other words for that. So let's try another one. Show me your artwork. Show. I have shown all of the artwork I did. So again, notice when I put an N on it, it's not an ending, but it does change that tense. So that could be the one rule for OW to add an N on the end there and change that tense. That makes sense. All right. So what am I learning? I learned that OW will come at the end unless followed by an N. At this point, OE also is coming at the end. Not followed by an N though, just coming at the end for some easier words there. Sorry, this is my L. Okay, so what I want you to do this week, because this is a 2-week unit, you're going to practice your long O double vowel team, spelled OA, OW, and OE. OA always coming in the middle, being followed by a consonant. OW and OE coming at the end, but OW sometimes coming in the middle if it's followed by an N to put it in the past. Usually is what the rule says. Usually, because there's not so much a steady fast or a steadfast rule for that guy. Okay? So go ahead and practice. We're not going to test or anything, obviously, but I want you to keep up the practice. All right. So now on the other hand, let's go to our cursive writing. Our cursive writing this week, I'm going to review the letter B. So you've been doing and have done, sorry, I'm going to shoot them up there. This might be why the C went away. I got to look on the floor here. You have done undercurve, and now we're doing undercurve, slant, undercurve, slant, undercurve is L, right? And we did pull, we did a lot of words with L. So now you're going to do B, and B is almost exactly like L. I'm so sorry, I'm shaking that. B goes undercurve, slant, undercurve, and just like W, B has what's called a check stroke there. And this is really important, this stroke, otherwise it looks like an L. So let's put it in a word, okay? So let's put it in the word bell. So we're going to go B to check stroke. Now I want to do an E. Right around, it looks like it's printed. We did that with W. Bell. We rang the school bell. Okay? B-E-L-L. All right. So let's do B to I. B. Check stroke to I. Now look at that because it looks really strange. But if I do my, right, it fits in there. It fits in there. So I'm going to write bill. I had a dollar bill sitting on my desk, and now it's gone. I think my daughter took it. B to I to undercurve, and dot. Can you see that? So you can still see the check stroke so you know. Sometimes kids like to drop it down a little bit so that it looks like an I. Can you see that more? Like it gives me a little more space for I. That is fine as well. So you're going to go ahead and do B. And I have beep on your paper. So let's go ahead and look at beep. Ready? B to E to E to P. So undercurve, slant, overcurve around, and back. P is tough. I know it is. It's called 3-point P because you meet there 3 times. Okay? Good job, everybody. So you go ahead. If you get the beep in there, that's excellent. Your next letter is easier, although it starts with a new kind of stroke. This is a down curve stroke. So down curve starts up top and goes down. It looks like overcurve, but overcurve starts on the bottom and goes over. So down curve, we're going down. So for C, there's 2 options. You can go down, come back up, and go around. See that? Or you can just start here and go over and up. It looks just like printed C. Now the biggest problem with C are combinations where you would have started first. And I don't give you this on your paper, but let's watch ice. Ready? So I ends here. Now to go to C, I got to go up. Now what, kids? I can't go all the way around. It's going to look like O. So I go backward. Imagine a roller coaster on the boardwalk. You go up, you stop here, and now we're going to go in reverse, kids. C. Because remember, C starts here and goes around this way. And dot. Can you see the word ice there? I'm going to do it again. I, up, now back around to E. All right. I know you're going to do a great job. You only have those 2 letters per week. Some of you have been doing more. That's okay too. If you've already done them, go back and just practice them again after you watch this. Fill in a couple more or add a paper or something, just a couple, so you know you did it correctly. All right, guys, good job. Practice that. Practice those letters and your foundations. See you soon.